Welcome to Oita Prefecture, on the northeast coast of Kyushu, Japan. This area is renowned for its steep valleys, ribbon roads, and mountainous terrain. It is also one of the most active volcanic regions of the whole country. Nestled within this natural beauty is one of the most unique museums I've ever encountered, the Iwashita Collection. With hundreds of motorcycles, old cars, jet planes, well, basically everything you can imagine. This museum is a unique experience, and one I'm happy to share with you today.
Driving up north on the Trans-Canada Highway. The night is sweet, 1,000 stars. I'm driving up north on the Trans-Canada Highway. The night is sweet, 1,000 stars. Should I stay with you? I know. Should I stay for more? Should I stay with you? I know now. Don't wanna leave anymore. Wanna build a home of love and light with you. I wanna build a home. Harvest moon it is, playing in the car. The good old Neil Young is on my side once again. I can see your eyes and I can feel your pulse. Your beating heart gives me the rhythm. Should I stay with you? I know. Should I stay for more? Should I stay with you? I know now. Don't wanna leave anymore. I wanna build a home. Took a little mirror from your magic box. I fill it with the ocean sun. take it with me whenever I go. Will be like your smile on my soul. Should I stay with you? I know. Should I stay for more?